Lashings Boutique Hotel and Villas right here in Treasure Beach. It has been the talk of the town for about 2 years now. We have been hearing about this Lashings. We had to try it out. This has been our second time here, and we must say it has been nothing short of amazing. On our page, we already have a full property tour. You can go ahead and look at that. And now we're gonna take you through a room tour. Now this is one of the special rooms on property. This is the Buddha room, and I would say it's one of the special ones, and we are privileged to be able to be staying in this room for a few days. So this room is situated behind the main building, the reception area, and at the front here you basically can't tell a room is here, and that is how private the room is. We are privileged to also have some birds at the side here. If you're a nature or outdoor person, then this would definitely be a perfect room choice for you. So we're gonna make our way in, and as I said before, it is very private, very unassuming. You cannot tell by looking on the outside what awaits you on the inside. Alright, so going up the steps takes us to our patio area. It's nothing like you have seen before. Our patio area, we are lucky enough to get a jacuzzi or a mini pool. Here we also get adequate seating, and I just appreciate how much they plant trees around the area. So as bare as it is also still private, so no one basically can pass at the front there and see you on the inside. It was for 3 of us, and I would say space wise it has been working out. We realized that Lashings takes a very minimalistic approach in terms of their decorations. It's like they use very simple items to accentuate the rooms, but there are still so many surprises. So very simple items, but still there is also always a wow factor. So as I said, this is the Buddha room, and if you zoom in at the top there is a statue. I think it has something to do with Buddha. Just some very nice accent pieces on the shelves here. There are also some crafted items, very, very simple. Just the shelf itself, it's just some pipes with some wooden shelves. Very simple, very minimalistic, but still just a wow factor. If you are definitely someone who loves outdoor nature, adventure, just someone going for that vibe, then this place is definitely for you. For seating, they actually gave us this piece of furniture. It was very nice, especially for Antonique, because we could sit and swing out here. And this property has actually 2 pools, and this pool in particular came in very handy for us because, you know, if we're here hanging out, we don't have to go all the way down to any of the other pools in order to have a little fun. So yeah, this really won me when we came. Like, I didn't even see the room yet, and I was blown away. So now going into the room area, what they did for us was, we have doors, you have windows in the doors, and you also have sliding glass doors. So once you're inside, you don't definitely have to lock up the doors. You can always just pull the sliding doors, and that's okay. So going inside of the room now, I keep on have to be stressing a simple, minimalistic design, but a lot of surprises. So here in this room, we have a king-size bed, slept comfortably for all 3 of us. On this side, we also have a bedside lamp, so nothing like you have ever seen before. And what I have noticed is that for all of the wiring inside of the room, they conceal them with some bamboo. So simple, but just a nice, innovative way of doing things. Bed head, bed frame, very simple and nice as well. We have air conditioning unit, which is working quite well. On the light shade, again, simple but like wow, just so innovative, and just so, I really love their concepts on how they decorated the rooms. And one thing that I have noticed as well, here at Lashings, no two rooms are identical. So each room has their personal touch. So this room is the only one of its kind here. Another thing that I liked about this room is that they have a lot of outlets. So you have actually 4 sets. Well, if I included the ones where the TV is, it's 5 sets of outlets, which is great for us who are coming here. You know, you need enough outlets to charge your devices for our equipment. So that was very, very great for us. We have a huge television and it works quite well. We have cable and it's also a smart TV. Now, space, shelving, I am always big on that, because you come to somewhere like this, you want somewhere to keep your items, you want your items to be organized. Traveling to such a place like this, we have been here for 3 days so far, so this is not us just coming here just like this. So we have been here for 3 days, so the room was more pristine when we got it, but you know, we have been living in the room for 3 days. Yes, so space is always a factor for us, especially traveling with a child and traveling with our equipment. So we really appreciated the shelves. Very, very, very simple, but very, very practical, because you know, your gadgets and all of that, your keys, your watches, your purse, we have space galore to keep our items. They also decorated the shelves with many items. They have some art here, a lot of artifacts, Treasure Beach, a boat here, and they also gave us a book. So very simple, but as I said, a whole lot of surprises. Now the door that leads to the bathroom area was also something that I found very interesting. So it was very, very neatly and attractively painted, displaying Appleton rum. And you know, Jamaica, we are rum people, and this was just such a nice addition rather than having just a plain blank door. So this was very clever of them as well. So now heading into the bathroom area, if you see surprise before, you're going to see some surprises now. So in the bathroom area, the first thing that will probably greet you is the lamp shading. The shading all over the light fixture, they put a lantern over it. You know, again, they just keep on coming up with these surprises. Really appreciated. I love these sticks that they use to create a closet door here. Love the closet, a lot of space. As you can see, all our items are packed inside. Again, traveling with a child, with our personal items and our equipment, space is always a must. And for this particular room, they scored 110 out of 100 for space. So space was not a factor for us any at all. So we didn't even have to store any of our personal items in the room area, because we had a lot of space here. Now, beside the closet area is where the toilet is. And you might be wondering, where is the shower? So here is where the huge surprise comes. So what Lashings did for us for the Buddha room is they gave us an outdoor bathroom. So this was just so amazing. So it's almost as if you're bathing outside. So you got another lantern covering on the light, and basically you can be showering, looking up at the sky, but at the same time a lot of privacy. So they allowed for the wall to be built high enough that if someone is on the patio area, they cannot see you on the inside. But this is just something that I've never seen before. Been to a few villas in Jamaica and cottages, and I just really appreciate the creativity and the innovation behind this room concept. Here is also where the wash hand basin is, not a typical wash hand basin. Very, very high pressure. I don't know, like you have to turn on the pipe like slowly because the water pressure was really great. We also have hot and cold water. We didn't have any issues at all getting hot water. We also have shelving spaces in here as well. It is just a great experience, and I really appreciate this bathroom because it is something that I have never experienced at another property before. So from the bathroom, from the shower area here, you can probably glimpse the Buddha sign there. You're glimpsing the trees, seeing all of this outdoor experience, but still getting privacy. Very innovative. At the shower there, the water pressure is super high. You don't really have to worry about getting anything wet. They give you adequate space here, and it was just really great. So here, as you can see, there's also a door here, a glass door with a little tint on it. Provides a little bit of privacy, but I don't think a room such as this really is aiming for any privacy. Anybody who needs privacy, I don't think this room would be good for them. There's also a mirror here. You know, I'm always a lover of the mirrors because, you know, at these properties, you're dressing up, you're going for dinner, you're going for some sightseeing, you really want to look at yourself. This is probably one of the best size mirrors I have seen at a property. I have enough space to step back and look at myself completely. I really appreciated that. What I love about this room is their use of space. I love how they utilize the space, and it is not a whole lot of things, but it's the things that you need, the functional things that you need in a room. So that was very great. So if you are thinking about coming here, I would definitely give them 2 thumbs up. On our last day, we actually got a room that was close to the pool at the front. That room was nothing like this. As we said, no 2 rooms are identical, but it was just as great. Unfortunately, we lost that footage, but Lashings is just a good vibe. It's a vibe like no other. Like, there is no other place in Jamaica that I can compare this hotel to. So for our nature lovers, you're hearing the birds on the outside chirping. Always appreciate the privacy of the room. You're literally on your patio, and no one can see you on the inside. Literally no one can pass and see what's going on your area. So you basically just have your own little quarters for yourself. What do you think about this room, Anthony? You love it? What do you love about it? And you love the swing. Okay, so as you can see, it's good for kids too. We are gonna go ahead as well and do an aerial shot of the property. So we did a walkthrough of the property. It is on the channel already. You can go ahead and look out for that. And after this video, you should see the aerial shot. So we're gonna do a nice drone shot of the property so that you can properly see the layout. We're gonna try to do some labeling if possible, so that you can probably see where the rooms are in relation to the restaurant and so forth. So basically, that's it for this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. Really hope that someone who has been wondering and pondering if it is worth it to come here, it is so worth it. Make that reservation, you won't regret it. And as always, thank you for the support. Diane, Sam Richman, all of those lovely people. Splat Babylon, I have to big you up every time. You are the persons who allow our channel to grow who allow our platform to grow. You encourage us, you motivate us, and we are so grateful. So thank you as always for tuning in. Remember, if you haven't done so, just subscribe, leave a comment. Please keep the comments respectful, and also do not forget to like the video. We also accept any small PayPal donations just for the growth and sustenance of the page. We are always trying to acquire new equipment, upgrade our existing equipment, and also try to fund our trips to just go to the best places ever so that you can see what's going on the inside. So it doesn't matter how small it is, we appreciate any donations that you have. So thank you so much for watching. We out. Bye.